Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with sparse or unruly brows that just won't stay put, I know exactly how frustrating that can be. Well, today we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to give you fuller, well-defined brows that last all day. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from us. We're exploring the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Volumizing 24H Wear Brow Mascara in soft black. It's marketed as a lightweight, fiber-charged brow mascara that instantly thickens and volumizes your brows, with a smudge and transfer-resistant formula that lasts up to 24 hours. It comes with a 3D micro-grip brush designed to boost brow volume and density, and it's available in 7 tinted shades to match a variety of hair colors. Using this in my daily routine, I found the application straightforward. The brush is small but effective, allowing me to swipe in short upward strokes to coat each brow hair evenly. The fibers really do add a subtle fullness without making my brows feel stiff or unnatural, which is a big plus if you're aiming for a soft yet defined look. The formula dries quickly, and I noticed that it held up well throughout a full day of meetings, errands, and even a light workout. No smudging or flaking. One thing to note is that if you're layering too much, the fibers can clump slightly, so a light hand is key. I appreciate that it's versatile enough to pair with your favorite eyeliners and other eye products, letting you create anything from a natural brow to a more dramatic, sculpted look. On the pro side, it's lightweight, easy to apply, holds its shape for hours, and comes in multiple shades. On the con side, the color payoff could be slightly more intense for very dark brows, and overlayering may lead to minor clumping. In terms of value for money, this brow mascara falls in the mid-range price point, but considering its 24-hour wear and fiber-enhanced formula, I'd say it's justified for anyone looking for long-lasting brow definition. Compared to other volumizing brow mascaras I've tried, it performs consistently without the flaking or fading I've experienced elsewhere, which makes it a reliable choice. The packaging feels sturdy and travel-friendly, and I can see this easily becoming a staple in your everyday makeup bag. Build quality is solid, and given the fiber formula, it seems like it will last through its shelf life without drying out too quickly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had any direct interactions with L'Oreal customer service regarding this product, the brand has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, which adds confidence if you ever need assistance. If you're exploring alternatives, there are some brow gels that are slightly more budget-friendly and offer decent volumizing effects, but few match the combination of fiber enhancement and 24-hour hold that this one provides. For those willing to invest a little more for consistency and long wear, this brow mascara really stands out. Overall, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Volumizing Brow Mascara delivers on its promise of fuller, well-defined brows. It's best suited for anyone looking for a long-lasting, easy-to-use brow gel that can hold up through a busy day without smudging. Sparse or fine brows will particularly benefit from the fiber-infused formula, while anyone seeking a natural, soft look will appreciate the lightweight texture. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab this brow mascara is in the comments or description box. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.